You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.